okay beta, some movements were there which were started by the Gandhiji for the independence of India. So one by one we have to discuss. Firstly is the non-cooperation movement. After the World War I, the breaking down of democracy dream and the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy caused a lot of disappointment and anger among Indians. So in 1920, the Indian National Congress decided to launch non-cooperation movement against the British government under the leadership of Gandhiji. Means after the World War I, did not get the democracy for the democracy dream, and after the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy the peoples are filled with anger. So in 1920 the Indian National Congress, we know that the Indian National Congress which made by the A.O. Hume in 1885, this National Congress party decided to launch a non-cooperation movement against these British government, but under the leadership of Gandhiji. Aims. This movement aimed at resisting the British rule through non-violence and non-cooperation, and its main objective was to boycott everything connected with the British government. It included boycott of foreign goods and use of Swadeshi goods, boycott of government educational institutions, surrender of the titles and honorary offices, popularizing charkha playing and yarn spinning. It means beta, what is the aim of this movement? Non-cooperation means not cooperate with the British government. Means the Indian peoples boycott all those things which were connected with the British government, like educational institution or any title which they get by the British government, or anything, and they used only those goods, those things which made in our country, means Swadeshi goods, and foreign goods means in other which those goods which made in other countries, but Swadeshi goods means those which are made in our country. Next is the progress. Many students boycotted their educational institution. Means students are not going at colleges or institutions for the education. Lawyers gave up their profession, means lawyers are also not going on jobs, and a number of people surrendered their titles and resigned from honorary offices, means which honor or any title they get as from the British, they all surrendered their titles. People organized bonfire of foreign clothes and goods, means the people started to fire all those goods and clothes which were made in foreign. Conclusion. Though the movement by and large was peaceful, yet an excited mob attacked a police outpost on February 5, 1922 at Chori Chora in UP, killing about 20 constables. Gandhiji felt that the movement had lost its path of non-violence. Apprehending similar troubles in other parts of the country, he announced suspension of the movement. It means this movement, some persons, this movement was going as a very peacefully, but some persons who done the attack at the police station in Chori Chora in UP, and near about 20 constables were killed. So Gandhiji feel that this movement going on the wrong direction. He lost it. This movement had lost its path because this movement started with the non-violence and satyagraha, but this attacked shown the wrong to this ways. So the Gandhiji realized to suspend this movement. Outcome means results. Which results will come from non-cooperation movement? The non-cooperation movement converted the freedom struggle into a mass movement. It gave people the weapons of non-cooperation and non-violence, and strengthened the Hindu-Muslim unity. Means with this movement, Muslims are also joined with Indians, and they all Hindus and Muslim are get in a unity. They become in a unity.